Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're talking effective HR strategies. Whether you're a business leader or an HR professional, having a solid HR strategy in place is an essential part of organizational success. So let's dive in. As always, let's start with the definition. An HR strategy is a comprehensive plan that outlines all of your HR efforts like hiring, talent development, employee engagement, and more, whilst making sure that they are all in alignment with your company objectives. It's essentially a roadmap that makes sure that all of your HR efforts are contributing to your company growth and overall performance. Now, what are the benefits of having a solid HR strategy? Let's break them down. First up, we have better talent management. A well-crafted HR strategy helps attract and retain top talent by aligning recruitment practices with company goals. Second, enhanced employee engagement. It boosts employee satisfaction by fostering a culture of growth, recognition, and support. Third, improved efficiency. Streamlining HR processes reduces redundancies and makes operations smoother. Fourth, stronger alignment with business goals. It ensures all of your HR activities are directly supporting business outcomes, whether that's expanding to new markets or boosting innovation. And fifth, data-driven decisions. Implementing an HR strategy with built-in metrics allows for database adjustments that optimize results. Now that we have the definition and benefits down, let's move on to how you can implement it for yourself, step by step. Point 1. Understand business objectives. The first step is to understand your organization's business objectives. Ask yourself, where's the company headed in the next 1, 3, 5 years? Whether it's scaling up operations, boosting innovation, or enhancing customer satisfaction, your HR strategy should align with these broader goals. Think of this as setting a foundation. If the business is planning for rapid expansion, for instance, your HR focus might be recruitment and onboarding strategies. Point 2. Assess current HR capabilities. Next, you have to assess where you're at. Analyze workforce skills, employee satisfaction, and existing HR practices. This helps you identify what's working and where there are gaps. Try conducting a SWOT analysis: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This method provides a clear insight into where your HR team excels and where it needs some improvement. Point 3. Define HR goals. Now, with business objectives and current HR capabilities in mind, it's time to set specific goals for HR. Make these goals SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, if your objective is to retain top talent, your HR strategy could include launching new mentorship programs or employee recognition initiatives. Remember, these goals should be flexible enough to adapt to your business needs as necessary. Last but not least, implement and monitor. The final step is implementation and continuous monitoring. Roll out your plan in phases and set up systems for regular check-ins and feedback collection. Use data analytics tools to track your progress on key HR metrics. Gathering feedback from employees and managers is essential during this phase. It helps refine the strategy and ensures that it stays aligned with your business's changing needs. And there you have it. That's your quick guide on HR strategies. Remember, having an effective HR strategy isn't a static process. It grows and changes with your organization. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below your thoughts. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.